Warming and habitat loss. As global temperatures rise and sea ice melts, polar bears have fewer places to live and hunt for food. Changing global temperatures mean changing habitats, and this can be bad news for living things. A living thing's habitat is more than just a place where it lives. Habitat includes everything an animal or plant needs for its survival, such as food sources, shelter, and lots of other factors. We now are looking at this graph that is titled Amount of Summer Sea Ice in the Arctic, 2002 to 2013. So we're looking at how much sea ice there is in the Arctic between these years. Again, we want to label the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis here is year, and the y-axis is million square kilometers of ice. So we're looking at 2002 to 2014. Below in the question, I have labeled a dot right here around 2003 and a dot here in 2012, okay? So between 2003, 2004 to 2012, I want to know, has the sea ice decreased, meaning gone down, or increased, meaning gone up? This graph compares how much of the Arctic Ocean was covered by ice in different years between 2002 and 2013. The measurements were all taken at the same time of the year. It's easy to see how a warming climate trend could cause polar bears to lose their habitat. Warmer temperatures cause more ice to melt. Ice is an essential part of the polar bear habitat. The bears walk out onto ice that covers the Arctic Ocean in winter in order to reach the seals that they kill and eat. Less ice means less habitat for polar bears. It's harder to understand why a warming climate trend causes habitat loss for other living things, but it does. Temperature is an important part of habitat, and some species are very sensitive to changes in temperature. For example, salmon depend on cold water streams. Young salmon die if the water in a stream becomes too warm for them. Young salmon need cold stream water to survive. Global warming causes habitat loss in other ways too. For example, weather patterns change as the climate warms, making some places wetter and others drier. When habitats become wetter or drier than the animals and plants that live in them are used to, the habitats can become unlivable for those species. Climate change benefits some species as well. Especially species that reproduce quickly can survive in a range of habitats or do well in warmer areas. For example, the populations of some kinds of mosquitoes, bullfrogs, sea stars, jellies, and caduceus plants are increasing. As their habitats change due to warming, some plants and animals have already begun shifting the areas where they live. Many are moving toward the poles, where temperatures are colder. Others are moving higher up on mountains. However, a mountain is only so high. Once they have reached the top of the mountain, there's nowhere higher to go. Climate change is likely to cause many species to become extinct, meaning gone forever. Pikas are small animals related to rabbits. You know I love rabbits. They live in the mountains. As the climate warms, pikas are beginning to move higher up into the mountains, where temperatures are cooler.